Now, as a little exercise, you can try to implement the code for the third option on your own before we then, in the next lecture, implement the code for the fourth option. Here's a short pause for you to pause the video and try this on your own. Thereafter, after this pause, we'll implement the code together. So, did you succeed? Let's add the code for the third option together. Now, this option is to withdraw money, so therefore as a first step, we can add another else if branch here and check if choice is equal to 3. And then here it's pretty similar to what we did when we deposited money, so I'll copy that code. But of course now we're not looking for a deposit, but instead for the withdrawal amount. And I'll name it withdrawal amount here. And then populate that value and deduct that value with that minus equal operator I already mentioned in the last lecture. And then we still output the updated balance. And that should actually be all. That's how we check for that choice and update the account balance. So let's quickly check if that works. If I choose the third option and I withdraw 200, I got 800. The old balance, which we updated in the last lecture, was not stored because the program ended in between. We exited the program, and therefore all the old state and all the old stored data was lost. We would have to store it in a file or in a database to save it between executions, and that is something we will explore later, but here it's lost. But for this demo app, that's also no problem. Now, in the next lecture, let's work on that last option here.